If you search Faceless YouTube Channel right now, you are being sold a fantasy. The internet is flooded with 19-year-olds and rented Lamborghinis telling you that you can ask ChatGPT to write a script, paste it into an AI video generator, and wake up to a bank account full of cash. Let's be brutally honest. If you do that in 2026, you won't make $1 million. You will make $0. YouTube's algorithm is smarter than you. It knows when content is lazy. It knows when a script has no soul. And it will bury your channel in the graveyard of 0 views along with millions of others. But, while the get-rich-quick crowd is failing, there is a silent minority of creators who are making absolute fortunes without ever showing their faces. They aren't uploading spam. They are building digital media assets. They are using AI not to replace the work but to leverage it. They are building systems that produce high-quality documentaries, financial breakdowns, and educational assets that pay them while they sleep. In this video, we are going to delete the guru nonsense. I am going to show you the engineering blueprint for a faceless channel that actually works. We will cover the strategy, the hybrid AI tech stack, and the monetization math that turns views into wealth. This isn't a hack. It's a business model. Let's build it. The first mistake happens before you even upload. Most people try to start a faceless lifestyle channel or a generic news channel. You cannot compete on personality if you don't have a face. And you cannot compete on news because CNN and Twitter are faster than you. To win as a faceless channel, you must become a utility engine. You are not here to be famous. You are here to solve a problem or satisfy a deep curiosity. Here is the filter your niche must pass. If it fails any of these, do not start. Is it evergreen? Will this video be relevant in 3 years? If you make a video about LeBron James' game last night, that asset is worthless in 24 hours. If you make a video about the psychology of high performance, that asset pays you for a decade. Is it visually abstract? Can the story be told with stock footage, data visualization, and AI imagery? If you pick car repair, you need to film a car. If you pick the history of Ford, you can build that from your desk. The CPM math. This is what the gurus hide. Not all views are created equal. A gaming channel might get paid $2 for every 1,000 views. A finance or software channel gets paid $20 for every 1,000 views. You need 10 times less traffic to make the same money. Work smarter, not harder. The best model right now is the information synthesizer. Think of channels like Magnates Media or Vox. They take complex topics, economics, history, psychology, and simplify them with high-end visuals. The value isn't the host, the value is the clarity. Now let's talk about the tools. This is where 99% of people fail. They use AI as a crutch. We use AI as a lever. We use a hybrid stack. AI does the heavy lifting, humans do the polishing. Point 1. The brain, research, and structure. Stop asking ChatGPT to write me a script. It produces generic, robotic garbage that sounds like a Wikipedia article. Instead, use Claude 3 or GPT-4 for research structuring. Feed it 5 high-quality articles and say, extract the key psychological triggers, the contrarian data points, and outline a narrative structure for a 10-minute documentary. You're the director. The AI is just the intern. Point 2. The voice, the soul, robotic text-to-speech is dead. If your video sounds like Siri, people click off in 3 seconds. We use ElevenLabs. But here is the secret. Don't just paste the whole script. You have to direct the voice. Add pauses. Change the stability setting to add emotion. If the script is intense, the voice needs to be intense. If it's sad, it needs to slow down. The audio quality is 50% of your retention. Do not cheap out here. Point 3. The visuals, the retention engine. You cannot just slap generic stock footage of businessmen shaking hands over the whole video. That is boring. We use a triad approach. Layer 1, premium stock. Story blocks or art list. This is your base. Layer 2, AI generation. Midjourney V6. Use this for specific things that don't exist. A cyberpunk bank vault, a glowing brain made of circuits. This gives your channel a unique brand aesthetic. Layer 3, motion graphics. After Effects or CapCut desktop. Visual note, show a complex graph animating on screen. You need to visualize the data. If you say the economy crashed, show the line going down. Kinetic typography keeps the lizard brain engaged. Host. Amateurs rely on inspiration. Professionals rely on systems. If you want to scale, you need a factory line. You don't make one video at a time. You batch process. Step 1. Title and thumbnail first. Most creators get this backwards. They make the video, then try to figure out the title. That's amateur thinking. If you can't design a clickable thumbnail and a compelling title before you hit record, the idea isn't strong enough. The title and thumbnail are not decoration. They are the packaging. And packaging decides whether the product gets picked off the shelf. Before scripting anything, open Canva. Ask yourself one brutal question. Would I click this if it wasn't my video? If the answer isn't an instant yes, rework the idea. Your thumbnail should communicate one dominant emotion: curiosity, urgency, transformation, fear, status. Just one. Simplicity scales. Generate a strong central visual using AI tools like Midjourney. Then refine it in Canva or Photoshop. Increase contrast. Remove clutter. Add 2 to 4 bold words max. Big, clear, high contrast. Easy to read on a phone. White space wins. Chaos loses. Your title should create tension, not confusion. Not fake clickbait. Real curiosity. Instead of, how I made $1,000 online. Try, the $1,000 mistake everyone makes. Specific. Sure. Emotional. Remember, the thumbnail is the marketing department. If marketing fails, the product never gets a chance. Step 2, the Lego edit. When you edit, think in blocks. Snap, snap, snap. Every 3 to 5 seconds, something changes on screen. A zoom. A text overlay. A B-roll cut. A graphic. A sound cue. A subtle motion shift. We live in the TikTok era. Attention is rented, not owned. If your frame stays static for 10 seconds, your retention graph will bleed. This doesn't mean hyperactive chaos. It means controlled momentum. Every visual change should reinforce what you're saying. If you mention growth, show a rising graph. If you mention a mistake, flash a red X. If you introduce a concept, animate the keyword. Editing is not decoration. It's retention engineering. Think in 3 layers. Layer 1, voice. Clear. Confident. Tight. Remove filler words. Cut dead air. Layer 2, visual reinforcement. Every frame supports the message. No random stock footage. Layer 3, pattern interrupt. Every 20 to 30 seconds, reset attention. Change angle. Insert bold statement. Quick montage. Break the rhythm before the audience drifts. Professionals don't edit for beauty. They edit for watch time. Step 3, batch production. Stop creating emotionally. Start creating systematically. 1 day for ideation. 1 day for scripting. 1 day to film 3 to 5 videos. 1 focus block for editing. Batching removes decision fatigue. It builds momentum. It turns content into a production line instead of a weekly panic attack. Step 4, feedback loop. After publishing, don't celebrate blindly. Study. CTR under 5%? Packaging problem. Drop in first 30 seconds? Weak hook. Flat retention mid-video? Visual stagnation. Analyze. Improve the system. Repeat. Amateurs chase motivation. Professionals build machines. If you build the machine, it runs whether you feel inspired or not. That's how you scale. Here is the uncomfortable truth about YouTube AdSense. It's a nice allowance. It's not a business. If you rely 100% on ad revenue, you are an employee of Google and they can fire you at any moment. The wealthy faceless channels use the Trojan horse strategy. The content attracts the crowd. The backend makes the money. Because you picked a utility niche. Phase 1. Your audience has a problem they want to solve. Don't sell them a t-shirt. Sell them the solution. High-ticket affiliate. If your channel is about AI tools, don't just talk about them. Put an affiliate link for the software in the description. One sign-up might pay you $50 a month recurring. That is worth 10,000 views in AdSense. Digital products. Once you have trust, sell your own asset. A course, a template, a guide. You keep 100% of the profit. You own the customer data email list. A channel with 5,000 subscribers selling a $100 product can make more money than a channel with 100,000 subscribers relying on ads.